Okay, so we just created a new Canva presentation like this one and we begin. We start by adding a regular sentence, just like don't forget to like this video, which is something you should definitely consider doing. And suppose I want to highlight the word like here. I don't want to do it the old-fashioned way, which I do not think isn't even available here, because it does not look really good. So for that very reason, we're going to just copy the word like, and then we're going to paste it right here, as you can clearly see. And then we go to the color picker, and we pick a shiny color like this cyan blue here. Oh no, we click like this and go full cyan blue. And then we click on the effects button and we click on neon. I prefer to keep it at 50% honestly, but you can adjust it however you like. I honestly like 50% because it mainly suits my needs. And so I position it like this. And I go position and I send it a layer back. And just like that, we have a very nice effect right here. And after that, we group this all together, and boom, there you have it. It creates a very good highlighting effect that has multiple different use cases, just like the one I will show you right now. Okay, see, this is one of the presentations that I recently made. It was about wing walking, and this really just made it a very cool effect. I added the curve effect right here. I curved it at 28%, and it was a really nice addition. And there you have it. This is a really quick and easy way to make your presentation a bit more interesting. Remember, this is not the only use case for this idea. You can use it to make much more interesting stuff, like the detailed shadows, for instance. You can make this black and make this blue, for instance. You can like reverse the effect. So take your time to create something that is truly fascinating and fits whatever you want. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more design tutorials. See you next time.